In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete domain on Bluehost. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to delete domain on Bluehost. And of course, if we want to do that, we can just go into the slaves panel, then expand this domain section. Here, you can simply click on my domains so you can find all the domains that you have in your account. So as you can see here, you have two options. You have this renew now and manage. Of course, your renew now will not delete your domain, and manage, if you click on it, you'll find all the settings right here. If you click on settings, and as you can see, you will not find any delete option. So how can you actually delete a domain? So there is no actually possible way or direct way to delete it. You will just have to wait for your subscription until it's done. So as you can see for me here, my registration date is actually February or 28th of February 2023. And once my subscription is done, and if I did not renew my domain or it will renew it, it will actually be deleted in the 2024, the same date. But of course, there's other option. You can just go to your my sites here and delete any site. As you can see, click manage sites, click on settings, scroll down, delete any site you have in that domain name, and that's how you can actually maybe like delete your domain names because there is no direct way to do that. So this will actually for this tutorial. If you like it, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.